Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy vitamins at home. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients. You'll need unflavored gelatin, which gives gummies their chewiness. Next, choose your favorite fruit juice for flavor and natural sweetness. Don't forget a natural sweetener like honey or maple syrup, and any vitamin powders you wish to add for a nutritional boost. This simple combination forms the base of your homemade treats. Now let's get cooking. First, pour your chosen fruit juice into a small saucepan. Then sprinkle the unflavored gelatin evenly over the cold juice. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. This process is called blooming and helps the gelatin dissolve smoothly. After blooming, gently heat the mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until all the gelatin is fully dissolved. Remember, do not let it boil, as high heat can degrade some vitamins. Once the gelatin is completely dissolved, remove the saucepan from the heat. This is the crucial moment to stir in any heat-sensitive vitamin powders you're using, ensuring they retain their potency. Mix everything thoroughly until the powders are fully incorporated. Next, carefully pour the warm liquid into your silicone gummy molds. Finally, place the molds in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, or until the gummies are firm and fully set. Congratulations, your homemade gummy vitamins are ready. Once they are firm, carefully pop them out of their molds. To keep them fresh, store your gummies in an airtight container in the refrigerator. They typically maintain their best quality for 1 to 2 weeks. Now you can enjoy your delicious, personalized vitamin treats, knowing exactly what ingredients went into them. It's a fun and easy way to boost your daily nutrition.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.